Hi friends, me again. I'm going to be doing another unboxing of a few different companies that have sent me some stuff. I hope they don't mind that I kind of combined it all in together. Let's hope not. But anyways, I've got quite a bit here that I'm going to share with you. Let's go to it. So first what I want to show you is what I got from Totally Dazzled. They've been a long-time helper of me and are always sending me free stuff. But I picked up another package of these mixed Totally Dazzled. There's brooches and pins and all kinds of stuff in here that I like to use. And then I also picked out this mixed pack of silver. There's cute little bows in it, and it's really, really pretty and shiny. So shiny! So that's what I got from Totally Dazzled. Next, from BeebeeCraft, I got quite a bit of stuff. I got this package and this package. So this package comes from BeebeeCraft, as I said. It's jewelry beads. There's 15 different colors in here, and they're super, super tiny, which is pretty awesome. And it comes in its own case, which I like. I don't have to sort it out myself. I like cases. And then I also received these cute little, they're like little roses in here. All different colors. I thought those would be pretty on some little details on things that you make. But yeah, I got those too. And then in this package from BeebeeCraft as well, I received a little package of clear beads. They're already on a strand, but we can easily cut those off and reuse them. Look at all this ribbon. It's all lace ribbon, but look at all those colors. Like, that is a lot. There's one for every season in here. I can use those all year round. I love that. Can't remember how long they are, but I love that. Then I also received some fabric. A whole bunch in here. Oh, it's triple packed, so I don't know if I can show you all the different colors. But there's a whole, let's open it up. I want to see them, so let's open this baby up. They look to be like fat squares. I think that's what you call them. 2x2 pieces. And they've got a bunch of different kinds. Polka dots, flowers, yellow gingham, more polka dots, some lines, some more flowers. But I like these. I can't get that one. There it is. Those are pretty. Use fabric for everything. So that's what I received from BeebeeCraft. Now, here's a new company that I've teamed up with. They're called Globeland. They contacted me and asked me if I wanted to collaborate with them, and I said, I looked on their website, I said, yes, please. So this is what I selected from them. I've got some stencils here. They look to be like flower stencils. Different kinds of, again, it's in another package. We'll open that up too. I want to see the different ones. Yes, so there are different kind of flower stencils here. All kinds. Wow, there's so many. I'm stuck. There's another one, another one. These are pretty. Ooh, I like that one. That one almost looks like a snowflake. Could probably use it like a snowflake. And that one there. There's so many in there. I didn't realize how many. And then we have some more stencils. It looks to be, I think I got Christmas ones, because we all know that's coming up soon. And I think there's two. Yeah, there's two. The same ones, but that's all right. I'll take two. This was awesome. There are a whole bunch of those rubber stamps that you can use. And there's so many in here. This one is snowmans with trees and Christmas wishes, joyful greetings. This one is more about winter with wreaths and more wording and snowflakes. This one has little bears on it, turkey, good for Thanksgiving. This one has You Are My Moon and Stars, masquerade ball, have a ball. That's pretty awesome. Then there's this one that's made with love, just for you, happy mail, snail mail, you've got mail, special delivery, could be used for many different things. This one has coffees and cups and a cup of thanks. I like that. A little spoon too. Cute. Cute little spoon. Some more Christmas with penguins and trees. Ho, ho, ho on it. This one is a bunch of stamps and presents. I like that. Different stamps. Phonograph. And then this one is, it's more to do about winter, but I guess those are little winter fairies. Merry Christmas, winter. Oh yeah. So look for all these in upcoming videos. Can't wait to start using these. But not that I'm saying I want Christmas to come now. It can wait. We can finish summer first. If you're still here at the end, I would like to thank everybody for watching my little unboxings when I post them. I'm going to try and do them separate from all the videos that I create instead of in amongst it, so it's a little easier to see. If you're new to my channel, please like this video, subscribe. It would sure help me out. Don't forget that little notification bell. Set it to all so you can see all of my videos when I post them. And share it, please. Share and comment. That totally helps out my channel, helps me to grow, and it helps to let YouTube know that other people would like to see my videos. If you're a returning subscriber, I'd like to say hi and thank you for always returning. I totally appreciate it. I would like to let you know that down in my description box, there's a link to Buy Me a Craft, which is also Buy Me a Coffee. I like to change it to craft because what do? I do crafts. You don't have to do that. The best way to help support my channel is by sharing and commenting and liking and getting it out there into the YouTube algorithm so other people can see the videos. So thanks for sticking around. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. We'll see you again next time. Bye.